Powerful performance and high systems availability, the new QUINT POWER power supply reliably provides you with up to 40 amps under all conditions. Despite the compact design, you'll benefit from its long service life thanks to the optimized heat distribution and high degree of efficiency. Even if in the three-phase network one phase fails, your system continues to be supplied reliably. Thanks to the elimination of the inrush current, you can safely use a larger number of devices per fuse. Use a smartphone to parameterize signaling thresholds or characteristic curves via the NFC interface, or configure your device online when ordering, starting from quantities of just one.